Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to add a token on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once it's open, look for and tap the Add Tokens button, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen. Then, you can begin by searching for the specific cryptocurrency token you want to add to your wallet. This initial search helps find many popular tokens quickly and easily. If your desired token isn't found through the search, don't worry. Simply tap the plus icon, usually in the top right corner, to add a custom token. It's crucial to select the correct network for your token, such as Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain, to ensure compatibility. Next, you'll need to paste the token's unique contract address into the designated field. Double-check this address for accuracy to avoid any issues. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy and stress-free with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh, giving you one less thing to worry about, whether it's crypto or dinner. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After pasting the contract address, the token's name, symbol, and decimals should often autofill. If not, you'll need to enter these details manually, ensuring they are perfectly accurate. Always verify all the entered information against the token's official details from a reliable source. Finally, tap Import or Save to finalize the process and successfully add the token to your Trust Wallet. You'll then see it in your asset list.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.